Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Invite a user to fleet. Enter the Safety menu and the User submenu. Press the Add User button. Enter the client's personal information, role, first name, last name, email, and phone number. And then click the Invite New User. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.